By damn, unpacking an English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in English literature or in day-to-day conversations. The phrase is, by damn. This isn't your typical English phrase, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. By damn is a colloquial expression, primarily used to emphasize something or to express surprise, determination, or enthusiasm. It's somewhat old-fashioned, and you might find it more in classic literature than in modern texts. For example, someone might say, "I'll get this done, by damn." This means the speaker is determined to complete the task, no matter what. Let's look at a few examples to understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Determination. I'll climb that mountain, by damn. 2. Surprise. You finished the entire project in one day? Well, by damn. 3. Emphasis. That's the best pie I've ever tasted, by damn. The phrase often adds a certain flavor or character to the statement. It's casual and can make the speaker seem more passionate about what they're saying. It's informal. While it's a fun phrase, it's not one you'd typically use in formal writing or professional settings. Stick to casual conversations or literary contexts. Not commonly used by younger generations. As language evolves, certain phrases fall out of regular use. While it's good to know, keep in mind that, by damn, isn't as popular today as it once was. Regional variations. In some parts of the world, this phrase may be more recognized and accepted than in others. Being aware of regional dialects and preferences is always a good idea. There you have it. The phrase, by damn, unpacked. Whether you're reading an old book or just want to sprinkle some classic English into your conversations, you now know how to use this phrase correctly. Remember, language is ever evolving, and it's always fun to explore its many facets. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.